Hi, on the last two videos, we did the Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram weekly report. Now we will log in the monthly reports. The purpose why we get the results per month is so we can compare if there is a growth from the past month to the present month. So September, total funds is 80,373. So we got that from the September results. Here, okay, let's try first October since I pull out October. So 2,400,000. So total number of likes for October 30 is 81,403. So that's the one we log here. Or since we also have this data on the monthly, just copy it. Again, this one we don't sum it like this because it's updated per on that date that we get it. So if it's October 24 to 30, you just get the date October 30. October is until 31st, but the result that was downloaded is just until 30 for that time. So I just got until 30. So 81,403. That's for October. And then September, we get it also from the last data, 8373. So just input it here. Now what is percent change? Again, this is the formula to get that we will need in order to check if there is a change from the month of September or October. Did we increase the number of funds or not? So to have that data, you can, once you double click, you can see this one. But this is how to get it. You can see here C4, so C, and we are on the row 4. So that is on the month of October. And that is the present date that we are getting, October. So I will just take note here, present month. Present month, which is October. And then present month October minus the past month. Present month of October less past month. So that is September divided by past month. So let's take letters is equal to percent change. So present So present minus past divided by past. So present month that, or the current month that we are getting the data is October. So C4, so C dito, tapos 4, minus B4, B since we are getting the September results of funds, B4 divided by B4. So present October, my present October total number of funds, deduct by September total number of funds, divided by the present total number of fans for October. So you can, once you have that, you can just copy this one and then paste on the other fields. So the formula, you can get the formula. But be sure to check it manually because to avoid error. So you can see there's 1.28% change. So new likes, how did we get the likes? You can also pull out that in the Excel file. Because we were not able to log it here. But next time I'll include it. So new likes, so just go here. So if we are getting October, just drag it until the end of the day of that month. So 1,295. So note that here, 1,295. That's also how I get the September. So the new likes we got last September, since we are very active that time for the Go Everywhere event, so we got 8,286 new likes. And for October, only 1,295. So we got a negative results. Again, you can double click to check C5 minus B5 divided by B5. So that is present minus past divided by past. So negative. So this November, our goal is to at least, if not even in, is to increase or not have a negative result. So engagement, you can just get it, the total here from the weekly that we got before. So there you can see 6306126. And then September, let's check 35, 355, 700 since we get it per week. So just drag on this on the report that you created, 3,892,737. Second version, 35. It should be, sorry, September, sorry. So this should be 3,892,737. Is that right? 3,892,737. So we increased by 62%. And then total number of reach for September, 83,163,006. $83,163,006. And then the October total reach, 1,112,403,265. So we increased 35%. That's also just the same with Twitter's formula. So also present minus past divided by past. So number of followers on Twitter last September, I didn't know that I had that data last time. So September number of followers, sorry, YouTube followers is 79. Number of mentions is 19. Profile visit is 1319. And then top tweets is that. Okay, tweet impressions 37,900. So October, we just got the 515 that we are viewing right now. And then new followers is 20, is it correct? Yes. It's October. It's October. Just, again, don't be confused. I just input as of November 5 because I was not able to get it last October 31. And then the profile visits is 413. Then impressions is 15.3. So in case you forgot how to get the Twitter, again it's on the analytics here. And then the results that will appear here. It's real-time results. So if you view it that day, the result that you will get is until that day for the current month. So we need to make effort on the Twitter for next month, for this November. Now for Instagram, I was not able to get the data for September, so I'll just leave it blank. And then October is we have 1,602 followers. And then likes count, let's just note that likes received is 8,602. So supposedly we can get the other data such as the Twitter, but Instagram is not currently giving it. I don't know, maybe they are changing the interface again. So in case you will see some added data here by next time in November, it means that I was able to get those on the Webstagram. So that will be all for the social media stats for weekly and monthly. So if you have questions, maybe we can screen share again, or you can just email me, either email me or tag me in